In this video, I'll show you how to connect Klarna to your Stripe account so you can offer flexible buy now, pay later options to your customers directly at checkout. Let's get started. First, log in to your Stripe dashboard. If you haven't signed up yet, go to stripe.com and create an account. Once logged in, click on the Payments section from the left-hand menu, then go to Payment Methods. Scroll down until you see a section labeled Pay Later Services. There, you should find Klarna listed as one of the options. Click the Activate button next to Klarna. Stripe will guide you through a short setup process. You may need to provide some basic business information or accept Klarna's terms and conditions. Just follow the prompts. Once activated, Stripe will automatically display Klarna as a payment option during checkout, but only for customers who qualify and are in supported regions. If you're using Stripe Checkout or building a custom checkout experience, make sure Klarna is enabled in your payment method settings or included in your code if you're using the Stripe API. You can also test how it looks by creating a test session in your Stripe dashboard. Just remember to use test mode and a supported browser location. And that's it. Once connected, your customers can now choose Klarna at checkout and split their payments into installments, all powered through your Stripe account. Thanks for watching. If this helped you expand your payment options, hit that like button and subscribe for more Stripe tips and e-commerce tools. See you next time.